Are you new to the maritime sector? Or do you already work in the industry and require the proper training to ensure your job is carried out safely? Then you probably need an STCW certificate. At ECMT, we are dedicated to helping you with that. We offer various types of medical STCW courses, such as the combined STCW Medical First Aid and Medical Care course. Alternatively, for example, you can also choose from the STCW Medical First Aid or the STCW Medical Care as standalone courses. Next to traditional learning, ECMT also provides blended learning options, such as the hybrid STCW Medical First Aid and Medical Care training, which can be partially completed online. Notably, ECMT is the only organization in the Netherlands that offers such blended learning options. Click for more information or visit our website at ecmt.com.